Gotcha. What's up, Max? What's up, Max?
So how you doing?
Give me some. Yeah.
Stop. Say hi. Give
Hug, hug.
a hug.
No hug. Have high five. High five. I know that shit, Daddy. Cause I'm proud. Have high five. Yay! You give me high five. Thank you.
What?
Glass. They're littering here.
It's rocks.
What you guys doing?
Look at the sandcastle.
Making a sandcastle?
Yeah.
Is it spring yet, or you guys just enjoying the weather?
It's almost.
Almost spring. Feel like spring, right?
Yeah, I wish it was spring so we could.
We're gonna go over there with them. With everybody. Huh? We're gonna go with everybody.
Bro, let me get you. Come here, bro.
Levi. Levi. Is that Levi?
It's gotta be story. I see a picture.
Is that gotta be who? What? Like, it's you?
I'm scared of heights.
You scared of heights, so why you up there then?
Not me. I just want to get a good view. Hey, that's what I was gonna say.
You wanna go
Good
up there?
heights.
No.
Are you thinking that today?
Huh?
No.
No, no.
Just having cool.
Come back towards me.
Watch out! Watch
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that is a good one. I got it.
Did you get it on camera? Is that fun?
Go again.
I was like holding up to the top. It goes really fast. Oh gosh.
I'm gonna crush whoever's there.
Is that fun, Levi?
That's for babies. I could do that.
Go ahead.
You do it.
I was gonna go with Levi, but if you're gonna go, I'll put Levi in
Go again.
Oh, Vivian, that wasn't nice.
there. Come on, you just like whiplash
just-
them.
Oh, Eva.
still going.
She came backwards.
Oh,
Oh,
my God.
shoot.
Rick,
I got you.
catch him?
I got you.
No, go catch him.
Oh.
Catch him. Vivian's there.
Maybe it's there.
No, Max.
I
No.
got you. I got you. I got you. I got him.
He'll be all right.
He did it. Watch out, Max. Yeah, just want you to know what
Hey, you too. I saw that. Be careful. Don't do that.
Oh. He did it. All right, stop it. Stop it.
Twist it. We're gonna swing?
You scared me? Why you running from me, huh? Why you running from me? You ticklish? Huh?
Ticklish.
He's not ticklish?
Ticklish.
Correct my grammar.
Oh, gosh.
Why? I speak perfect English.
Say licorice.
Yo, she know the secret word.
Say Virginia. Say Virginia.
Virginia.
Oh, shoot.
You think I said Virginia?
Because you from Brooklyn.
Oh, God. You're nuts. Yo, let Maxwell get a try, guys. I gotta get that.